Hello and welcome, students. Another set of commands. This time our first command is going to be top. Very important command. Next one is tar. Next one is grep. Then find. And then losf. So let's get started. So the top command displays processor activity of your system and also displays tasks managed by kernel in real time. It will show processor and memory are being used. To use top command with -u option, this will display specific user processes details as we're going to show in the example. And if you press capital O to sort as per desired, it'll give us a choice. And then we can do a Q to quit it. So top -u root. It's all the commands that are getting run by root right now. Okay. So it's a very important command. Anytime you want to see what the resources are getting used up for, because it shows you the CPU percentage, the memory percentage, the time, and the virtualization, the PID number, the user. In my case, as I said, I don't have too many users running on this machine, so it only shows root. But if you have a machine where a lot of users are logged in, then show you the name of the user and the process that they are running and how much CPU it's taking. The next command is tar. I don't have an example to show you of that, but the tar command is similar to a zip file in Windows. It bundles a bigger file and compresses it to a smaller file. So it uses to compress files and folders in Linux. For example, we can create like a tar-cvf archive chive name .tar to /root. So this file is not available, but this is the way you run it. By the way, in order to bring back a file that you have, or bring back a command that you have just run, it's in the history, you press the up arrow key. See, up or down arrow key to bring the command back. So that way you don't have to retype it. So since I don't have this archive-name.tar file, but this is the syntax that you use to create a tar file. Suppose if I have a tar file and I want to extract it, then what you do is -xvf for extract, xvf, and then the name of the tar file. And then what's going to do is going to extract that file right in the directory where I am right now. Unless if I specify that extract it into home/javid, then it's going to extract it there. Next command is grep. Grep search for a given string in a file, and it displays what you're looking for. So suppose if I want to grep, actually let's do this first. User add javid. I just added myself in the etc password file. Now I'm going to grep my name, Javid, in etc password file. As you can see, out of the whole long list of lines there in etc password file, is just grab the line that my name is mentioned in. And it's showing all of that in red, how many times my name has been mentioned in that one line of etc password. This is how you create a user. This is a very simple form of user add and the name of the user. Okay, next one is the find command. So suppose you want to, this is the syntax of find command, find slash hyphen dash name, and then the what you're looking for. So in my case, let's look for my name. And it's gonna search through everything, and it found it in slash. Remember, we created a directory named Javed, so it found it there in slash root slash Javed, and found it nowhere else. And our last command for this lecture is losf. It's losf means list of all open files. So this is a very important interview question. An interviewer can ask you, how can you tell me how many files are open in a given system? So you say losf, and the options that you can use is -u, and then the name of the user. So in my case, I don't have any files open right now, so it's not showing anything, but this is the context. This is the format you use.